Oh, there's a dog barking. Well, I made noise when I came down the stairs. My slippers on. See my pink toes. Nice and bright for the Perps to see. Oh, they're mad about what happened yesterday. Not even yesterday, Thursday. Because I got my toes done. Got me a nice pedicure. I had the money to get the pedicure, and I enjoyed myself when I was there. They massage your calves. They put like a tea tree oil lotion or something, or oil, whatever it was. It was nice. Massage. But I poured heavily. I was gonna go to Target after. It just started pouring. I was like, let me just go. It was fucking pouring. I forgot to bring a pair of flip-flops, but they had those paper flip-flops that you could wear. I was like, nope, I'm not getting my feet wet. It's not a shower. So the Perps will see me coming. That was great. Well, because I was, there doing something for myself. They send the Perp and a handler. Usually you don't see the handler. Usually the handler is waiting somewhere. But he was right at that corner. Because I said I might go in. Just because I said I might go in doesn't mean I would go in. I said if I had time, I would go in. What am I buying? I was going to buy a charger for my phone. Whoop-de-doo. Charge cable. You always have to have at least 2 or 3 sometimes. They break easily nowadays, these cables. The ones I get from there are nice and sturdy. They're like braided. And they're not cheesy. They're like $15 each. So they're not cheesy at all. Oh boy. What is this guy doing? Probably swung away. Oh, you hear the helicopters, the bikes. And I'm not staying out here too long. I gotta take a shower. So, what's today? The 17th? June 17th, 2023. So, for some reason, my brother ain't gonna be home for Father's Day. That song sucks. With some Tupac on, you know what I'm saying? Anyways. So I guess they were kind of mad at me today. We went to an Italian restaurant. Man, the food was good. They gave huge portions, were all stuffed. Father's Day's tomorrow, but we're celebrating today. And then we had a fudgy whale cake. It's not as big as they used to make it. They used to make a big ass cake. We always get the small. No, I did not eat it all by myself. We shared it. You fuckers. They always make fun of fat people for eating food. I did not gain weight from eating food. I have a hormonal imbalance, buddy. It's called PCOS. That shit makes you gain weight even if you don't eat like bad food. So actually has to do with stress. So I just had a stressful childhood. And it became like this. It came out of nowhere. I didn't know anything about it. They still don't even know anything about it. It's 2023. There's no solution, no cure. They just want you to take medicine. So I already found a loophole. It's called going to the gym, but no. I am trying to eat a lot less junk food. I don't know about keto. I think I might have a heart attack with keto. It was too much all at once. Like, I want to try to incorporate a little bit of keto, but not keto. Like, you know what I mean? Like, maybe for like lunch or breakfast or something like that. Or snacks. Instead of eating chips and stuff. But that's the thing, too. You have to be ready for that, too, mentally. Not just physically, but mentally too. This disease takes a toll. It's annoying. Kitty! Hurry up, kitty. I'm gonna say, okay, I'll run your ass over. Nice new Tesla. Is it a handler in that car? Them shits are expensive. Perps coming out of nowhere. The camouflage theme was big at the restaurant. That's awesome. Well, I had said I was gonna get something else with camo. I have to send back the thing I bought because it was the Chinese size. It was too small. I didn't think they sold that stuff at Walmart. Oh, it was on their website. What the hell did I order from Walmart? Oh, slippers. I bought buying both a raincoat to the slippers. I'm gonna go to Kohl's. They had good stuff in there too. So I bought my Under Armour shirts. And that's too. I knew Perp was gonna be, in that area. I had a feeling, so I wore the purple one. And then it poured rain anyway, so they didn't really get to see it. But that one Perp did. I was so determined to get coffee. Well, Frappuccino. I don't have one of those in such a long time. Like, I'll get myself a Frappuccino. I was early. So, like, there was so many people in there. It was like 10:30 in the morning. There was a crowd already in there. I didn't even bring the crowd in. There was a crowd already there. That's because they put the seating back. So there's a lot of people there. With Dunkin', they never really took the seating away. It's a little bit. And they put it back right away. So. That was great. I looked at him like, really? Because he wasn't even slurring his speech or nothing. You could see it, like he was alert and he was completely not drunk. And then it's very weird for them to not be drunk. Well, I saw his mannerisms and everything. Then he had like the expensive speaker. He had like something on his belt to click on. When you carry groceries and you use like a click thing. I think it's supposed to be for straps, but anyways, you can use it for grocery bags too. And he had like a small speaker. He probably got it from Target. The handler probably bought it for him and told him to stand out there at that moment. It's really creepy how he was just standing there at that moment. Like he was standing there, looking the other way. So when I got to him, that's when he turned around because the handler saw me and gave him the signal in his eyes. He turned around and then he started mumbling to himself and like walking back and forth the whole time. I was like, nice gang stalking, ain't gonna work today. He stopped what he was doing. That was great. He just stopped and walked away. I don't know where the fuck he went though, because the handler was looking for him. Because when I walked back to the nail salon, the handler was coming out of Target looking for him. So now that I know that works, wearing the camouflage shirt, I'm gonna wear it every time I go somewhere like that. Not my doctor's office, no. No, when I go next month to get my hair did, I'm gonna wear it that day. I'm gonna totally wear it that day. I'm not gonna tell you what day I'm going though, because they already know anyway. Who are we kidding? These low vibrational pricks that let the demons take over their bodies. Stupid assholes. When they get older, they're gonna be aging very quickly. Having a demon inside your body, it ages you very quickly. You didn't see Venom? There you go. See how he looked horrible? That's exactly what's gonna happen. This is the guy across the street. He wanted something on his phone. Yeah. It's loud. So today we get in there, like 3 or 4 people already had camouflage on. And then I saw a camouflage jacket hanging up. I was like, I'm gonna walk out of here with that jacket. Yeah, nobody's gonna see me. And my shoes make noise too, so they'll hear me. Another kitty. And so the other cat, Patches, he's sitting in the garden. I mean, they're all cute, these cats. I feel bad we can't really feed them too much. These don't get raccoons. That fucking raccoon was huge. You saw him in one of my videos. He was huge. Huge. You gotta say it like that. Yeah, so when we first walked up there, it was full. And an old lady passed by wearing a camouflage jacket. I don't think they expected me to be with other people. Like, it's Father's Day weekend. Why would I be by myself going to an Italian restaurant? We had reservations, damn it. I can't afford an Italian restaurant by myself. You know, they make it difficult for us to go anywhere by ourselves like that. I don't know what the fuck's going on with the blog. They're all nuts. So, what I did see on my camera today was Druggy Smurf walking back and forth 10,000 times. He got a coffee though. So I don't know what he was going to do. But we were already at the restaurant and I checked the camera and I saw him. I'm telling you, he's getting bold with his gang stalking. For him to say hi to me, he used to want to punch me in the face. And all of a sudden he's saying hi to me. Yeah, that's narcissistic right there. Just a little bit. I'm glad he was in their driveway though. They weren't home though, since he would have got yelled at. They would have been cursing him out. Killing 2 birds with what is it? 2 birds with 1 stone, if that would happen. So. I mean, you never know. These people would probably do it again. Yeah, where'd you put it going back on? And she was on camera going on her side, though. But I think she did go in my backyard. Why not, right? Well, she probably looked around and saw that nothing was really at a place that she could touch. And that's probably why she unscrewed the top of that thing. That thing is screwed on. You have to actually turn it, to fill it. And all it is seeds for the garden. She don't want us to have a garden. We were here first for like 30 years. So she better watch herself. And she doesn't even fucking own that house. So who the fuck is she to do that, you know? Like, who are these people that they think they have a right to trespassing your property? It's amazing, isn't it? That they have all these rights. If we would go on their property, we would get arrested. This is the upside down world we're living in, people. So, yeah, it was only a couple people with camouflage today. And I had an autistic child in there screaming. I didn't know he was autistic. We all turned around. I was like, where'd that come from? I thought it was a video game he was playing, and it was being loud. You know, the volume was going out loud. Like, he turned the volume up. He did it like 3 times. That was a distraction, definitely. They do that all the time. They did it to me when I went to Dollar Tree. I went twice last week. Yeah, that's what I did Friday. I went to Dollar Tree Friday. And I saw Voodoo Smurf 10,000 times. I don't know, I lost count when I saw him. And he was screaming. That's all they do is they make kids scream. They want me to yell at kids. I mean, really. I was online in Dollar Tree on Tuesday, screaming at bloody murder this kid. A little kid in the stroller. So we all turned around. It was like, where the hell are they coming? It was quiet. And also when you heard screaming, I was like, what the fuck? And then we turned around because we were like, yeah, it's a kid, whatever. And then I went to Dunkin', and a kid was screaming in there too. They do that on purpose. Well, they send the frequencies out, whatever machine they have now, because I know they changed it by now, to make children scream, dogs bark, and cats to hiss. You understand? And squirrels and raccoons, they all hiss, right? Yeah, and possums. That's the frequency going on when that happens. Because how could that happen twice in one day? And then today we were all in the backyard, and some kids were screaming where the condos are. It's like the opposite in the backyard. So those kids were screaming bloody murder. The parents don't care. Parents, they just tell the kids to go outside and play. And they're like, yeah, who cares? They're screaming. I don't give a shit. They're not in my house screaming. If we did that as kids, forget about it, we would all get smacked upside the head. Kids get away with a lot of shit now. See, now they're hitting me with sirens. Yep. Ambulance. And of course, there's a red car right there. Durr. As soon as I come out, I see a red car. But that's something new, And fireworks, too. The fireworks going off all day. Like, what the fuck are you doing during the day for fireworks? It's weird. Fireworks don't usually go off during the day, so they want to see us scared by the noise. So of course it's fireworks. And then they want us to get scared by all the alarms going off and the ambulance and the cops, So, I don't know what to tell you. But this is not going to stop. They're going to keep going and going and going and going. I did see one headlight bandit getting back in the car to come home. He had how they had the headlights and then the lights underneath it? There was only one of those lights on. The rest were off. It was really strange. And I walked into Dunkin' and I got a coffee. And I saw my old coworker. So I guess she's allowed to go out on Saturdays. I don't know if anybody else goes out on Saturdays. I think it's just her and the other lady who goes in there. I think that's why she's allowed to go, because she had somebody else to go with her. So they probably walk over together. She don't live too far from me. Yeah, because when Druggy Smurf said hello to me, I was like, you know what the hell are you talking about? Like, why was he hiding behind the tree in Witchy Poo's driveway? Drinking Red Bull. He had like 3 or 4 cans in a bag. Empty of Red Bull. You can't do that at home? Like, it's very strange. It was very strange. They live down the block. They live in a 2-family house. Rented it for years. So why couldn't he just drink the Red Bull there? He's hiding from the wife, but I've seen him drink Red Bull in front of her, so I don't know what the hell he's doing. It was definitely gang stalking. Out of all those times before, he used to get mad, now he's happy. Oh, what the fuck's going on with that? I'm telling you, they're crazy, these gang stalkers.
Yana bro sat Instagram köleyi takdirle. Yolda zaten yana
I was a regular person. That's what I'm saying. Like I see, because I people watch, I could tell who's what, who's doing what. Like they act different. You see how that guy was just walking normal pace. He was on his he had his earbuds in. Well, the perps, they either on their earbuds or they have on the speakerphone, the phone on speaker. So, but they do the same mannerisms. They always put their hands in their pants, in their pocket, and they walk slow, really slow, or really fast. It's very strange. They're very strange creatures. So I don't know. I didn't see any perps waiting for me today when I went to get Dunkin'. I got Dunkin' like 2:30. I did have somebody on a city bike almost run my foot over. Oh, I see somebody in a hoodie. Let's see. Is it? No, that was my pit bull friend. I missed that guy. It's a little tiny, a little bit chilly, so. I try not to film the children. He's just walking with his kid. I saw the hoodie. So I saw the person wearing a hoodie. I was like, oh, here we go. Because that's usually when it happens, you know. Oh, this douchebag brother. Oh, now he's going to kiss her in front of me. Oh, no. What? He going to kiss her in front of me? Amateur. always, these whack jobs always got to kiss their girlfriends in front of me. I'm sure they don't show them any kind of affection any other time. When they see me, they have to kiss their girlfriends. And I'm like, girl, he is not even into you. He's trying to make me jealous for some reason. I guess because I'm a big girl, they're like, oh, well, you can't find anybody, haha. And like couples just kiss each other in front of me. And they laugh too. You saw the video. You saw them kissing each other, looking at them back and they get my reaction. It's like, bruh. He just parked in front of my neighbor's driveway just to do that skit. So you got nothing better to do than to do a skit for somebody you don't know. We don't know each other. You've never seen me before. Well, maybe you have, but even if you have, you don't know each other like that. What you doing, bitch? That's what I'm trying to say. Like, what are they doing? You know what I mean? It's like something's gotta be wrong with you. If you believe every story you're ever told about somebody and not ask them personally, hey, so and so, this person said this about you, is that true? You know, back in the day, we used to ask these questions. Now, all of a sudden, they don't ask any questions. They just automatically believe it. It's like, what? Am I missing something? It's funny, though, but everybody tries me. And I'm like, I don't believe your story. So, like, am I the only one that doesn't believe people right away? Yeah. I mean, I've had experiences like this my whole life, so narcissistic parent that did not want to be there. He could have left at any time, but he didn't. And then, other people took over after that. I kept meeting more and more narcissistic people. So after a while, you kind of figure out the people who's lying or who's not. That's why I don't let anybody in my circle. I don't know. You cannot come in that quickly or easily. Nope. I will not be having that. You gotta earn your way in. But now it's getting quiet, which is good. I guess we'll see. I thought I saw police lights, but I don't see them now. Huh. And I did see an auxiliary van again. Between Thursday and today, I saw the two smaller cop cars. Like I saw one turning the corner as I was putting the straw in the coffee. I don't know if it was regular police or a cop or a traffic cop. I don't know. I was like, damn, they always coming down this block. They must know somebody here personally, you know what I mean? Like a handler probably lives here somewhere, like here on this block. It's just a little bit of not coincidental. Nothing these people do is coincidence. It's not. So it's gotta be somebody that lives here down this block that knows, you know, that maybe they're police themselves, and then, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. It's gotta be something. It's gotta be, you know, something's going on. I'll figure it out one day. I definitely will. Yeah, all the kids in the house over there, they saw us all getting ready. They saw us all standing out here getting ready to go. They were staring. They probably told them. They were all dressed up. Daddy, they were all dressed up. Yeah, every little thing we do, they have to know about. They get the play-by-play. We're like USPN to them. I'm laughing, shaking the camera. It's true though. It really is. I can understand if I was like a celebrity or something. I'm just a regular person. I'm just trying to live my life day to day, you know, trying to do stuff. You know? Once in a while. I do something. So far. Not a drunk person? Or not? I don't know, I can't tell. And after this car. Yeah, I don't see anything. I think it's gonna rain now.